Hey folks, this is Saurabh welcoming you in my very first tutorial for Python programming language where we will learn that how to do programming with the help of Python. So my tutorials will provide you a basic and advanced concept of Python. This tutorial is designed for beginners and professionals. So we'll come at the topic. We know that Python becomes a most trending language right now in modern era, and also a fast growing language. So what really Python is? It is a general purpose, high level and object oriented programming language. Means it is an interpreted scripting language also. Guido van Rossum, known as the founder of the Python programming language. Our Python tutorials includes all topics like Python programming such as installation, control statement. We'll discuss all these topics in our next slides. But right now we'll only discuss about what is Python. Our whole focus on this. So I already told to all of you that it is a general purpose and high level interpreted programming language. It supports OOPS concept, whose approach to develop application. It is simple and easy to learn. Also, it is easy to learn a powerful and versatile scripting language, which makes it attractive for application development. Its syntax is very easy, and also it is a dynamic typing. With its interpreted nature makes it an ideal language for scripting and rapid application development. It also supports multiple programming patterns including object-oriented, imperative and functional styles. It is not intended to work in a particular area such as web programming. That's why it is known as a multi-purpose programming language. It makes the development and debugging fast because there is no compilation step including in Python development, and edit test debug cycle is very fast. So this is the pure definition of Python, where I have discussed many things. So next slide will say that why the Python is most popular language. Because of its feature. Python provides many features like easy to learn expressive language, OOPS concept, interpreted language, large standard libraries, GUI programming and integrated extensible. So what's all these means? These all means are very simple because Python provides many useful features which makes it popular and valuable from the other languages. So first is easy to learn. It means that as compared to other programming language, it is very easy to learn. That's all means of this line. Expressive language, it means that we can perform complex tasks using a few lines of code. Like if you want to print a hello world, directly will write print in bracket. I will discuss about this during the installation of our software for Python. It is a object oriented language. I will discuss about this in last. I will come at this. Interpreted language. So interpreted language means that Python program is executed one line at a time. We can't suppose that Python will execute multiple lines at one time. It only execute one line at one time. Large standard libraries. It means that it provides a vast range of libraries for the various fields such as machine learning, web developer and also for scripting. There are many libraries like TensorFlow, Pandas, NumPy and etc. Graphical user interface programming. It is used for the developing desktop application. Tkinter, Kiwi are the libraries which are used for developing the web application. Integrated. It means that it can be easily integrated with language like C, C++ and Java. Now we come at extensible. It means that it implies that other languages such as C, C++ can use to compile the code, and thus it can be used further in our Python code. So all these are the features. Now I forgot to mention about this. So Object oriented language. What is this mean? This is very important topic. I will suppose that you all will make a focus on this. So OOPS concept gives a very important concept about this language, that is, it includes classes and objects. It supports inheritance, polymorphism and encapsulation, etc. The object oriented procedure help to programmer to write reusable code and develop application in less code. That's the main thing I want to tell you, that object oriented language will use to write reusable code and develop application in very less code. So I will tell about this in very large in later slides, but right now it's only features, so I will treat it like a feature. I will go at our next slide, that is Python application. But after this I want to say little bit history about Python. Python, its foundation in the late 1980s, and also I have already mentioned that it was founded by Godin and Rosen in 1989, and Godin and Rosen published the code to s.source of the Python in February 1991. Python 1.0 was released with the new features like lambda, map, filter. I will tell about all these things in later. So you can also refer history on some sites. So I will come at my this topic, Python application. So Python is known for its general purpose nature that makes it applicable in almost every domain of software development. Python makes its presence in every emerging field. It is the fastest growing programming language and can develop any application. Here we are specifying applications areas where Python can applied. That is web application, desktop geo application, console based application, software development, scientific and numeric, business applications, audio or video based applications, 3D CAD, and many more. I have put it down in my slides, so you can refer it. So these are the topics, theoretical topics related to Python. After this we'll start with our programming after installing the software in my next video. So hope you all understand these topics about Python. It's time to take over it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share.